All right, guys, welcome back to another install video. I'm gonna be installing oil separator and or catch cam. You guys can see it right here. I'm not gonna say the name of who I got it from because I paid full price and no free promo around here. It looks like my camera might be a little dirty. Hold it. Better. All right, let's pop the hood. Get these hoses all lined up and the catch cam mounted. This is a simple install, so it's not gonna be a long video. The only thing we should need for this install is a deep 10 socket. Phillips. Nothing too crazy. Take off the engine cover, get started. All right, now that we got all that done, I can't really take my cover off because of the strut. Strut mount harness. Disconnect the PCV. Get this cable out of here. That's 100% plastic. I don't know. Ford Motor Company. Definitely saving money. Listen to that. Listen to this. Nothing. That's crazy. All right. And then now that those are disconnected, I already moved my 10mm nut. So we're gonna put it right here on the reservoir, but I need two hands, so. All right, now it's mounted up. I'm gonna tighten that down with my 10mm. I would have ran this underneath some hoses that are already on here, but it's literally maxed out. I don't know what the heck they were thinking, but all the connections are made. You see it goes into the intake manifold right here, and that's the dirty side. And that's about it. Gonna recycle this plastic here. Glad I replaced it with some durable, well, let's say this ain't durable, but very hollow sounding, cheap sounding. But that's it, all done. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.